We will continue with a pound of flesh. Forgive a portion of the principal and glance an eye of pity on his losses, that have of late so huddled on his back enough to press royal merchant down. Press means bring down. So royal merchant, the merchant who was very rich and a very big merchant, now he has become very poor because he has no money in his hand. So looking at his losses, you may show pity. That's what the Duke says to Shylock. On such a loss should pluck a strain of pathos. Pathos means compassion. Pluck means pick up, have, or show compassion. From brassy bosoms. Bosoms means hearts that are hard as brass. And rough hearts of flint. Flint means stone. So rough hearts that are hard as the stone. So even the hearts that are hard as brass or stone should show compassion looking at his loss. From stubborn brutes, brutes means cruel people, and warriors never trained in such a demeanor. Demeanor means outward behavior, that were soft or tender. So even the cruel people who look at the loss of Antonio would show a tender behavior, soft and tender, even though they are their behavior outwardly is very cruel, but they may be soft and tender. We all expect a gentle answer due. So Duke is expecting a gentle answer from Shylock. Shylock, I have informed your grace of my intention. I have already informed your grace. Here is Duke, his intention, his understanding, what he wants. And by our holy God of hosts, I've sworn. So I have promised in the name of holy God of hosts to have the due and forfeit of my bond. To have the due and forfeit is the penalty. What is that? A pound of flesh. So he says that he had vowed to heaven a pound of flesh to be taken from Antonio. If you deny it, let disaster fall upon your charter. So if you are going to deny it, it will affect the city's law and your city's freedom. You'll ask me why I rather choose to have a pound of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. So if you are going to deny, it will affect the city's freedom. And you may ask me a question why I am choosing to have a pound of carrion flesh means rotten flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. I'll not answer that. So first Shylock is telling he will not answer that. But say it is my bent. Bent means wish. Now is it answered? Now did I answer your question? Some men go mad if they behold a cat. Behold means see. If some people go mad when they see a domestic cat, and others when the bagpipe sings a note. So some others cannot tolerate when the bagpipe is a musical instrument when it is being played. Do wet their pants in fright. So out of fear they may even wet their pants, urinate. And thus one's nature rules over feelings, and one's nature is controlled by the feelings and sways it to the mood, and feelings will turn into mood. Feelings are only for a short while, mood is for a longer time. Of what it likes and loathes. Loathes means dislikes. What it likes. So our feelings and moods are according to our likes and dislikes, and that will affect our nature. Now, for your answer, as there is no firm reason to be rendered, so there is no reason to be given, rendered means given, for why someone could not tolerate a cat, or why someone wet their pants when they hear the music of bagpipe, why one cannot endure a gaping pig. Gaping pig means open-mouthed pig. Some may not tolerate open-mouthed pig. Why one is crazed to see harmless cat. crazed means mad. Why someone is mad to see the harmless cat. Why one who hears the playing of a bagpipe. Why one is hearing the bagpipe must yield to shame by wetting his own pants, and he surrender himself to a shameful situation of wetting his pants by urinating. So can I have no reason? So he says there should be no reason for him to take this pound of flesh. More than to say there is a lodged hate. Then he says I will not answer. Then he says just like there is no reason why someone does not like an open mouth pig or a domestic cat, or someone wet their pants because of the bagpipe being played. Similarly, he also has no reason, he says. Then he says the reason that there is a lodged hate, a hatred deep within, and a certain loathing. Loathing means dislike. I bear Antonio, which I have towards Antonio, that I follow thus a losing suit against him. So he calls this as a losing suit because he is not going to gain anything. He is going to lose 3,000 ducats, the interest, and he is getting only a pound of flesh, which will be rotten and thrown away. Are you answered? So he is telling, I am taking this losing suit only because of the deep-seated hatred and the dislike that he has towards him. And he is asking, did I answer the question why I am taking a pound of flesh, rotten flesh, rather than money? That's what the question asked by Shylock. Rest of it, I'll send the video later on.